What's up guys, and welcome to Web Education's Daily Tech Tips. In today's tech tip, you're learning how to buy PlayStation games using gift cards. Now this might be useful for people who have gotten gift cards from their friends and family and you just want to redeem them and buy your PlayStation games. Also, for people who simply can't buy PlayStation games using their credit cards because they come from a country that is not recognized in the PlayStation network. I come from Kenya. I'm one of those people. I know what I'm talking about. So go to your PlayStation account. If you don't know how to create a PlayStation account, then I'll link that video down in the description below. But the first thing you need to do is go into Playstationcom and sign into your account like I've done. And as soon as you're in there, the first thing you need to do is check the price of the game you want to buy. So go ahead and click on search, and then search for the game. For instance, I want to buy Gran Turismo Sport, so I'm going to search for that, find it in the results, and click on it to just see the page and the details of that page. Now, one main detail that you're looking for is the price of that game. So you can see the price of the game I'm interested in is $20. Now, I need to have a gift card amounting to $20 or more. And if I don't have, I can go and buy one from Amazon and redeem it immediately. And I'm going to show you this. Go to Amazon.com and look for a $20 PSN gift card. PSN is basically PlayStation Network. There you go. So you should see plenty of this, and make sure they're from PlayStation 4. You want to make sure of that. So a $20 PlayStation Store gift card, and make sure it's PlayStation Store and not PlayStation Plus or PlayStation Now. Make sure it's a PlayStation Store gift card because you want to use it in the PlayStation Store to purchase a game. And this is for people who already don't have gift cards. You're just trying to buy a gift card from Amazon so you can redeem it because you can't use your credit card on the PlayStation Network website. Anyway, so go ahead and buy this. Open the page, add to cart, confirm, and proceed to checkout. And then go ahead and place your order. There you go. It should take a few seconds and probably minutes for that to reflect. Now you want to go into your digital items to see the code. So here you go. Here's my $20 PlayStation Store gift card that I've just bought. And here is the voucher code which I'm going to use in a minute. Now, if you can't find this code immediately, all you need to do is go to Amazon.com, sign into your account, and then go to your account. And then in your account page, under digital content and devices, simply click on digital games and software, and you should find all your digital games and software that you've bought there. And the gift card voucher code is right there, so take note of that. Now, what you need to do is go back to PlayStation Network website, and then click on your avatar or profile icon if you have one, and then go to redeem codes. And this is where you enter the 12-digit voucher code from that particular gift card. So I'm going to enter mine. So you can go and copy and paste, just like that. Click on next. So the PlayStation Network recognizes that particular gift card and it tells me this code has a value of $20. Do you want to add these funds to your wallet? Click on add funds, and that's it, you're done. Now with $20 in my wallet, I can simply go and add to cart and buy Gran Turismo Sport using my gift card. So now with funds added, you can see my whole $21.64 will come from my wallet. Confirm purchase. And there you go. So now it has been purchased, and now I can go into my PlayStation, log on with the same PSN account, and simply download that game. And that's how to buy PlayStation games using gift cards. Thanks for watching. You can leave your comments and questions down in the comment section below. Don't forget to share and subscribe for more tips. Until the next one, my name is Chris, and I'll talk to you guys soon.